This is Salam Park and it's in the middle of Riyadh, and you can notice it's full of trees, plenty of life here, and today is a bright sunny day, so a lot of people are here and they are enjoying in this beautiful day. I'm using GoPro 9 actually. I'm loving this feature which GoPro 9 is providing. They're providing a case, and actually I have GoPro 9 and GoPro 8 as well, and it has a horizon leveling and 5K footage, which I'm really loving it, and also the hyperlapse feature, which is really amazing. So let's see more features of hyperlapse, and I hope you're enjoying it. I switch off the real speed mode and I'm talking to you now, and I'm testing TimeWarp 3.0. Actually it's working excellent, and I'm really excited to know the feature of this. Cool feature. You can use this while vlogging or toward videos. Really excited. When you stop the real speed, you can talk, and when you start the real speed mode, then the time lapse or hyperlapse started. So it's excellent feature. First time I'm using this feature of TimeLapse 3.0, and I found it's very interesting actually. The feature is this, like when you want to do the time lapse or something like this, you have to switch on the button, and when you want to talk, you found interesting, you should stop there and you can talk, and it's very interesting. Actually this feature is amazing for vlogging or anybody who wants to do a travel videos. So this feature is very interesting. I found in GoPro 9 Black. If you're interested in drone footage, click on this playlist, and I will see you on the next one.